You can profit $2,500 every month just from one plain rental house with one tenant that you don't even have to manage. Yes, an ordinary single-family investment property, and this is simple. No gimmicks, no flipping, no house hacking, no latest hot thing, no having to start some niche business inside it like an assisted living home or something, no Airbnb to manage. Turnkey, zero sledgehammer required, just instead what's proven to work. A regular long-term rental with your small down payment on, say, a smallish $300,000 income property. Does $2,500 a month in profit seem high? That means that your prosperity is going to increase $30,000 a year. For the first time, you'll be shown how real estate investors actually make money in their sleep this way. One plain house with one tenant really can perform this well. And if you're new here, I guess you are sort of right to be skeptical. Let's break it down. You're about to see what no one's ever shown you before. Hi, I'm Get Rich Education founder and Forbes Real Estate Council member Keith Weinhold. The middle class endlessly sell their time for money, year after year, decade after decade. If you want to build wealth, though, you build assets like we're doing today. I'll tell you how to choose just the right property later. It's easy. But first, say that your tenant pays you $2,000 in monthly rent on this single family home. Deduct out your mortgage and your operating expenses of $1,800, and this leaves you with $200 in monthly positive cash flow. That doesn't sound like much, and it really isn't anything to be excited about yet. One of those expenses is paying for a professional property manager to protect your time. That's how I do it anyway. And you don't have to make any changes to this scenario here. And watch how, like a magnet, money is just going to keep becoming attracted to you in this simple situation. This $200 per month represents part of a duck swimming on a pond. This $200 is only the portion of the duck that's visible above the water because that's all that most people see. What most people don't see is what's going on underwater, beneath the surface. Those duck legs are churning like they're doing CrossFit. So let me reveal the hidden part and how it makes you wealthy. In addition to your $200 above water, the less visible underwater returns that the duck is kicking up are amazing. I'll reveal a plausible scenario and you'll see how you're making money in your sleep. Say you've got appreciation of just 5% on this property, which is near real estate's historic average. And again, it still doesn't sound that exciting yet. Well, $300K times 5% is $15,000 a year. That's $1,250 per month on top of your $200 of visible cash flow. And we're just going to keep piling on everything else, all the underwater returns that the duck is kicking up for you. You're also benefiting from principal paydown, also known as your return on amortization. And that just means that your tenant is chipping away at your mortgage balance for you every month. Well, your 20% down payment means your loan amount is $240K with a 6% mortgage rate, 30-year loan. Just take a look at a simple amortization table. That means your tenant is paying down your loan for you by about $3,000 a year. So that's another $250 a month where you're passively attracting these dollars. Also, the duck is kicking up tax benefits. Your estimated depreciable value after land is $240K. Divide that by your allowable 27.5-year depreciation schedule, just because that's the IRS says that's what it is, and that's $8,700 a year in a tax deduction for you. If you're in a 25% tax bracket, your tax savings is about $2,200 a year. So this is another almost $200 a month that's added in here. Yes, we keep piling on as all this is working for you while you sleep, with the last underwater return called inflation profiting. not inflation hedging, which is a break-even proposition, but you actually profit from inflation. Because over time, inflation makes your salary and wage and rents rise, yet your mortgage balance and payment stays fixed. Inflation can't touch it. This reduces the real weight of your debt burden. 3% inflation debasing your $240K loan benefits you to the tune of $7,200 a year. This is another $600 a month while you sleep or play golf or get stuck in a TSA security line. It doesn't matter what you're doing with your time. It just keeps growing. Labor sleeps and assets don't. All right, now let's soon add it up and see the result. But first, if you find this breakdown useful, hit like. It helps more than you think. And thanks in advance for the thumbs up. Also, on the Get Rich Education podcast with me, hear my new interview with Robert Kiyosaki of Rich Dad Poor Dad. He's the #1 selling personal finance author of all time. On Spotify or Apple Podcasts, you can listen to Get Rich Education now. Let's add it up. $200 of cash flow, that was the visible duck above the water, plus $1,250 per month in appreciation, $250 in principal paydown, $200 in tax benefits, plus $600 in inflation profiting, and your total financial benefit is $2,500 per month. So this builds your wealth by $30,000 in a year just from one single rental property where you made a 20% down payment. And of course, this $60K down payment that you made is still your equity in the property, and that should continue to grow. That $200 per month of cash flow is only that part you can see. Again, that duck gliding on the surface. And now, of course, your exact number is going to be either higher or lower than the total of $2,500 per month. Maybe it's $2,133 or $2,812. You know, factors could make that either better or worse for you. And what could make it worse? Say you have a surprise insurance claim that could dent it, like a tree falling onto your fence, or a roof leak, or a plumbing backup. But that's not too likely because, again, you're buying turnkey, which is either fully renovated or new build. Let's just say you have a tenant that didn't pay the rent for a month. Maybe that could happen too. With the other things, you would actually have the coverage. You'd only have to meet the insurance deductible. You're also going to have closing costs of 3 to 4% of the loan amount when you buy the property. So there's some ways where the duck could get splashed. Some other factors could make it better than what I've laid out so far. If, say, mortgage rates fall, there's a refinance opportunity that could increase your $2,500 a month. Also, your mortgage rate could be less than 6% to start with. Yeah, because today a lot of builders, when you buy new, they're buying it down to 5% or less for you. And our investment coaches here show you exactly where. So the duck could enjoy a tailwind. What else could make it better is that I only considered one of your many tax breaks in our example, tax depreciation. There are other ones too, and you're going to note that I did some rounding for simplicity. Essentially, this $30,000 of annual benefit, this occurs whether you show up to work or not. And then as far as this property, you're probably working on this maybe 1 hour per month or less on average, whether you get a professional property manager or you're self-managing. This is simply buy and hold property, where on the day that you purchase it, it's either new build or turnkey renovated. I mean, it's even kind of boring. Exciting life, boring investments. No market timing, no next hot thing, nothing loud and flamboyant or Instagrammable, but yet so many people miss out on all of this. And why is that? Again, it's because they only see that $200 visible part of the duck, that cash flow, and think, oh, why bother? And then you have other investors that just don't stick with it long enough to capture some of these benefits. It can really take a few years to feel a good wave of appreciation or inflation, or perhaps have the right refinance opportunity come along. So these things are more apparent, like a duck that starts quacking and getting noticed. So how many of these turnkey single-family homes do you need then to start building on the side And retiring early? I mean, you can answer that. At $30K each, you can see that it's not nearly as many properties as most people think, because some people only see that $200 of cash flow on the surface, and they think that they need something like 50 or 100 units in an apartment building to financial freedom. And as you can see, you don't. Do you know what the term rent vesting means? I know people that live in California and New England that rent vest into about these 300K properties like these. And what that means is that you pay rent for your own home that you live in a high cost area, say northern New Jersey or Massachusetts or California, and at the same time you own low cost units that you rent to others where the numbers make sense. A lot of times that's in the Southeast, in the Midwest. That is called rent vesting, and you do it into places just like what I'm describing here. Properties like the ones I'm talking about, where you get a high ratio of rent income in proportion to a low purchase price. I've got more on the GRE Duck, but first, in fact, our job here is to help you find the right properties that are conducive to exactly what I just showed you. We offer free coaching here, truly free. I've got nothing to sell. Our coaching is not some pitch to try to upsell you to some paid program. You can book time for a free strategy session with one of our coaches at greinvestmentcoach.com. Any follower of my work knows that real estate pays 5 ways, and the GRE Duck is simply a different way of looking at it. It helps you understand how even a modestly sized portfolio of even 5 or 10 ordinary boring properties builds lasting wealth. And really, this is precisely how the middle class can get ahead. You could quietly out-earn your day job this way, but you can't make these mistakes. It took me 24 years of real estate investing to learn what I'll show you in one video right here.